Hey everyone, it's me and Luna here with another slime video. And right now we're outside and we haven't had a play date for like a long time. Okay, so basically she's going to make another fluffy slime because my mom, I'll make the fluffy slime and she'll make the butter slime. But then she'll keep the fluffy slime and I'll keep the butter slime. Because I'm not allowed to have any shaving cream. Because my mom is very, very strict.
It actually is not sticky anymore.
So basically this is a butter slime, but it's kind of sticky now. I've had it for like a few days and I added some water to it. It's very...
Oh yeah,
no, it's not sticky. It's greasy. It's greasy. Reason why... It's okay.
What are we doing today?
Making slime. Okay, so basically, I'm going to use this.
Can I use the new one?
Not yet. If there's no more in this, once I add mine. I'm not allowed to use food coloring anymore. Because I stained something a few weeks ago.
Makes sense. Let's take a minute to just... Well, we're just doing it.
So I have my glue. I'm not doing too much. Oh my god, the water from these stupid plants. I'm sorry, I said that. So I added my glue. She's adding hers now. I won't do too much because usually butter slimes are small, but I just went excessively on that because I added 2 of my slimes. So, okay, so now, oh no, I have like leaves on this. Okay, so basically, we're making presents for each other. So, here. Here's this.
I never made butter slime. How do you make it?
Ooh, good as
How do you make it?
Here. So you make it like, basically, you add like a few squirts of this. As many squirts actually as you want. Actually, no. I changed my mind. I am not making butter slime. I'm making cloud slime. I mean, fluffy slime. I got my words mixed up. But
You're
actually,
not
cloud slime.
making cloud slime, you're making fluffy slime.
No, I'm making cloud slime. Cloud slime is the best in the whole world.
Okay, so I added a few squirts and
You should add a few more. Because usually that makes it way more buttery.
Okay, so.
This is like, we've just been together for like 5 minutes, literally. Like, she
Yeah.
just got here. So, I need a little bit more of this. Yeah, I haven't taken that off yet. Here, I'll take it off. Please, can I do it? Thank you very much. Okay. This one's dead. There's no more of this. That one's for trash. Okay, you guys want to know where I got this hat? Well, I got it from my mom's concert last night. She did it at a little bar.
Oh, that's amazing.
And it was right next to my cousin's house. Yeah. And it was very fun, and they sold merch, and
Definitely check it out.
yeah, you should. Yeah. Can I do some?
Okay, sure.
Oh wait, actually you can do it.
Okay.
Don't add a lot. Ooh, Ellie.
Oh no.
I just rubbed this in. I think that must have been this.
Listen.
So you knew you spilled it. Dun dun dun.
I didn't notice, but sticking and it's rubbing in, it's not glue.
Cloud slime is amazing, guys. Like, it's so good. Okay, Luna, do you want to put your hair up? You can borrow a scrunchie.
Okay, sure.
Because when I start to play with this, I want my hair to be up. And I'm also going to take off my hat. Also, I bought it last night to support the band, so. Here, Luna. Okay, so here's this. Oh, it's starting to come together, guys. You see this? Yeah. Oh no, yours is actually pretty together. You just gotta mix it like this, guys. Here. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to the pool. I don't know if I already said that. I think I might have. But... Okay, well, I'm going to. Oh yeah, I know why I thought I said, because I said it to Luna earlier.
How great are people?
We want to know. I have a kid account, so you guys can't comment. I'm sorry about my last video. I said comment, but I'm sorry. I did not mean to do that. Okay, guys. So now I am mixing. Oh, by the way, guys, I got literally 4 shots yesterday. Like, guys, 4 freaking shots. Oh yeah, Friday. I got them on Friday, and now my arm is like where I got my shot. My arm is basically swollen. The arm that. Okay, so it's basically coming together.
Next time we might do something different than slime.
So. Oh yeah. Also later today, you'll see that I posted a water balloon fight.
Ooh. Yes.
It's gonna be very epic.
Yeah.
Maybe not as epic as other people's because I'm kind of new to YouTube, but still.
Yeah. I wish I brought my bathing suit.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, last time we did a.
I have a bathing suit that's a little big on me.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. But last time we did a balloon fight, I got soaking wet.
And she didn't have any other things. Like any
Luckily, I
other
brought changes of clothes.
You did? Oh no, this time you did.
Yeah, this time. The last time it was like, nah, all day. Until I got to my shower.
Then you're like, okay, this slime is very, very shaving creamy. How?
It's not coming together. Look.
Add a little more
That's as
glue.
much.
Okay, we're just gonna pause the video and come back to you when the slimes are done.
Okay, we're back.
So this is my slime. It's a cloud slime / fluffy slime, but it's kind of hard. Not like hard, but like it's hard to work with, kind of, because it's really sticky.
Mine is not sticky at all, but it's also a little bit hard to stretch, but it's pretty good. Pretty good butter slime.
Okay, now, since you guys can't comment, we're gonna make the thing that no other YouTubers do. Combining them.
Overload because of this, but they can't see your slime.
Okay.
Here, put it here.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I don't know what I'm doing. This will also make the cloud slime better, and you're keeping this, Ellie, if you want to.
Oh, sure.
Or we're throwing it away, because I can't keep it.
I'll keep it.
I love making better cloud slime. It's so satisfying. Because it's hard. Especially when the butter slime gets too hard, which I saw yours was a little hard. Oh yeah, I might show my dog.
Then?
I might show my dog soon. Bowie. How did you forget that? Oh. Thanks for watching. Bye.